everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pamela Rita. In the previous video, we have talked about summary of chapter 3 from book Semantics 2003 by John Forsett. Now in this video, I will tell you the summary of chapter 4 from the same book. In this chapter 4, the author discusses sentence relation and the concept of truth in semantics. This chapter explores how sentence meaning can be analyzed through logical relationship and through conditions. The first is truth and logic. Say begin by explaining the concept of truth in language, emphasizing that the truth of sentence depends on its correspondence with a real-world fact or state of affairs. Truth condition refer to the condition that must be met for a sentence to be considered true. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun is true because it's aligned with scientific fact. Next is entailment. The author then discusses entailment, a relationship in which the truth of one sentence guarantees the truth of another. For instance, if the sentence Jack killed Mary is true, then the sentence Mary is dead must also be true. This demonstrates that the truth of the first sentence necessitated the truth of the second. Next is presupposition. Seth also explore presupposition, which refers to the assumption that a speaker takes for granted when making a statement. For example, the sentence, "The current president of Indonesia is Prabowo," presupposes that there is a current president of Indonesia. If this assumption is false, the sentence suffers from presupposition failure. The author discussed how presupposition can be triggered by specific elements in a sentence and how context influences their interpretation. Next is analytic and contradictory and synthetic sentence. This chapter further differentiated between analytical, contradictory, and synthetic sentence. First is analytical sentence. Analytical sentences are true by definition, such as a bachelor is an unmarried man, while contradictory sentences are false by definition, such as a square has 5 sides. Then synthetic sentences require real-world verification to determine their truth, such as my neighbor is married, which requires checking the neighbor's marital status. By discussing this concept, Seth provides insight into how sentence relation and the true condition play a role in understanding linguistic meanings. Okay, that's all my summary of chapter 4. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time in another video. Goodbye.